Hey everybody, tonight I want to do a real short video showing you how you can work smarter, not harder. Alright, we're going to take one prompt and turn that prompt into 10 or 20, 30 other prompts. Really fast and really simple. Alright, I am using Recraft for tonight's video. If you're not familiar with Recraft, it is a really awesome AI image generator. They do have a free plan. You get 50 free credits a day. Unfortunately, the catch there is that your generated images will be public. Okay? They do, however, have a very affordable $12 a month plan or $10 if you pay for it annually. Okay? So that is what I'm using tonight. So I'm at my home page and I'm just going to click Create New Project. And once I'm in here, I'll just click on Image. And that's going to give me a new artboard to work with. I'm going to make that a little bigger. And over here, you can choose from a variety of image styles in Recraft, but for our purposes, we are just going to leave V3 raw. That's what we're going to use. So I already have a prompt ready, so I'm just going to paste it in here. A stethoscope intertwined with blooming flowers in a delicate watercolor style. Pastel blues, pinks, greens, isolated on a white background. Now, stethoscopes are healthcare related. They're always popular. Flowers are always popular, so we're combining two into one and hoping we are creating a really popular image or design for our shops, okay? So I am just going to hit Recraft. Now I like to generate 4 images at a time. If you're using the free plan, you can only generate 2 at a time, but you know, that's okay. Just hit Recraft and we'll give it a minute to do its thing. Alrighty, and it has generated our images, and that one looks really nice. I like that. That one's cut off, so that one's a little wonky. That one's a little wonky. And that one's a little wonky. But the first one came out really nice, so I'm just going to save that. And I'm just going to save this to my work in progress folder. And where are we going to do it? Let's create a new folder. Recraft test. All right, and that's where we're going to save that. All right, so we have this image generated and we really like the style, but what we'd like to do is maybe make a clip art bundle of this using different colors and different flowers. So rather than sit here and try to figure out different colors and different flowers to use, I went to Galaxy AI, which is a AI program that just has a bunch of AI programs all smushed into one. Okay, I have ChatGPT in here, I have Claude, I have Gemini, I have Meta, I have Perplexity. They're all mushed into one. Okay, and they have a very reasonable monthly fee. So I've been using them for a couple days now, and I'm really liking it. So what I did is I pasted my prompt right here, and I told GPT to scale this prompt out for me with different color palettes. Give me 10 different prompts, and it gave me different prompts and changed the colors and the flowers. So let's take the first one and paste it in here and see what we get. Okay, this one gave us tropical flowers, and I really like this. Love the tropical flowers with the stethoscope. All right, so you'd find the one you like, save that. Let's do the same thing. Let's save it and make our bundle. Let's see what else we've got going on here. I am not going to do all of these. I'm just going to do a few of them just so we can see what we get. Alrighty, I'm loving this with the autumn colors and the leaves. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, let's save one of those. Now let's say I want to take that same prompt. Let's go back over here. Let's take my original prompt. Let's copy that. Let's go down here and I'm going to tell GPT what I want this time. Take the prompt I give you and scale it out using different medical healthcare related elements. All right, so instead of changing the flowers, we're going to have them change the elements. So instead of the stethoscope, let's see what we get. All righty, so here we do, oops, let's see the first one, a nurse's cap intertwined. Now, you can take this nurse's capped prompt and you can put that in there and tell it to give it to you in 10 different color palettes. You can end up, look at that, just looks, I love this, looks so nice. All right, let's go see what else we've got here. A syringe. And again, you can scale these prompts out for different color palettes, different flowers. So you can create bundles of each and every healthcare related item, or you can do a bundle of the 10. That looks absolutely fantastic. Let's do one more. Blood pressure cuff. Okay, and just so these prompts that I generated, I'm going to be putting those in our prompts and profit club. It's a club where you get new prompts to use every day for your business to generate different images, whether you use them for tumbler wraps, for sublimation, for shirts, for wind spinners, for coffee cups, for mouse pads, anything. We just do a different prompt every day and also give tips and tricks on how to get more sales and more traffic on Etsy. All right, so I'm going to be putting these prompts in that group. I'll leave a link to the group below too in case you want to join. I'm going to run this prompt again just because I'm not real happy with how the blood pressure cuff came out. But this is just how easy it is to scale these designs out, these prompts out, to make a variety of designs. It's super fast, super easy, and it's really, take advantage, use ChatGPT and the different AI generators to help. They don't always have to, you don't always have to use them just for image generation. Let them help you with your prompts as well. This one isn't bad. I could probably get away with this if I edit this here a little bit. But anyway, that's just what I wanted to show you tonight, is how quickly you can scale these prompts out. Take one prompt and turn it into 20 or 30 or 40 different prompts really fast. All right. So I hope you guys have a great night. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I will see you next time.